Good morning, students. Today we will do the numericals of chapter flotations. The first type of numerical is the question number first. Find a pressure when a thrust of 20 Newton is applied on a surface area of 10 centimeter square. According to rule, firstly write down the given quantities. Thrust, it means force is given to us, that is F force. In bracket I am writing thrust, it is 20 Newton. And the second thing which is given to us, that is area. So A is equal to 10 centimeter square. This area is given in centimeter. Firstly convert this area into meter square. It means because force is given SI unit, that is in Newton, so we have to convert the area also into SI units. So we know 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meter. So dividing it 10 divided by 100. I am dividing the term 10 by 100 two times. Why I am writing 100 two times here? Because this is centimeter square. So for converting 1 centimeter into meter, that is 100. For another centimeter, that is another 100. So we will get 100 upon this quantity. 1 0 cancel with another 0. So we will get 10 raised to a minus 3 meter square. What we have to calculate? Find a pressure. So P, here we have to find P, that is pressure. Pressure is equal to, we know the formula, pressure is equal to force upon area. By putting the values, given values in the formula, force is 20 upon 10 raised to power minus 3, that is we will get 220 into 10 raised to power 3 2 into 10 raised to power 4 Pascal. Pascal is the SI unit of pressure. So we will get the answer P is equal to, pressure is equal to 2 into 10 raised to power 4 Pascal. Second type of numerical in the assignment is the third numerical number third. It means a toy of mass 100 gram has a volume of 25 centimeter cube. Find the density. Will the toy sink in water? Firstly write down the given quantities. What is given in the first line? That is mass. क्या given है हमें? Mass, that is 100 gram. The second thing which is given, that is volume. Volume is equal to 25 centimeter cube. Both the quantities are given in CGS system. It means this is in gram, this is in centimeter. What we have to calculate here in the third line, that is density. Firstly we will calculate the density, then we will consider this line, will the toy sink in water. The formula for density is equal to mass upon volume. Mass upon volume. Mass is here 100 gram and volume is 25. We will get 4 gram per centimeter cube. This is density of toy. The next thing which we have to tell, will the toy sink in water? And the density of water is given to us, that is 1 gram per centimeter cube. The density of toy, this is density of toy. Density of toy is more than the density of water, so it will sink in water. In what? This is density of toy, that is 4 gram per centimeter cube, and this is the density of water. If the density of substance is greater than the density of fluid in which it is immersed, it means जिस फ्लूइड में हम ऑब्जेक्ट को हमने इमर्स किया हुआ है, अगर उस सब्सटेंस की डेंसिटी उस फ्लूइड से ज़्यादा है तो वो ऑब्जेक्ट सिंक करेगा, अदरवाइज वो फ्लोट करेगा. इट मीन्स इफ डेंसिटी ऑफ सब्सटेंस इज लेस देन डेंसिटी ऑफ फ्लूइड दस ऑब्जेक्ट विल फ्लोट. अगर ज़्यादा होगी डेंसिटी तो ऑब्जेक्ट सिंक करेगा. ओके, अगर डेंसिटी कम होगी तो ऑब्जेक्ट हमारा फ्लोट करेगा.